Yabona lana ile nto ekuthiwa ubanjiwe phelile ukuphapha. This is what bese bekutshelile abantu ukuthi hayi bese kuphela ukuphapha.
So there was no instruction that General Sentumule must go to KZN and simply inspect dockets. Do you accept that?
I do.
The instruction was that they must be taken away from PKTT and be given to detective and forensic services, correct?
That is correct.
Yes. So when you now say to the chair, all that needed to happen was that they needed to go to KZN and simply inspect the dockets and not bring them to Pretoria. That was not the instruction that you gave. Unless you can show us in the documents that are in our possession where your instruction was clear that the dockets are not to leave KZN. Are you able to show us a document that you have penned or written?
Simple and clear and straightforward. But yeah, General Sibiya lo. By the way, guys, you are watching Tapping Online. Please subscribe and also share, comment. Don't forget to like the video.
Are you able to show us a document that you have penned or written that says the dockets are not to leave KZN?
Just to quickly answer on saying, no, there is no such an instruction where say the dockets are not to leave KZN.
Now pause there. Where is General Sentumule based? Where is her office?
She's based at head office.
In?
Head office.
In
Pretoria.
In Pretoria. So if dockets are to be transferred to her.
Wait, guys. She's based in her office in Pretoria. I have a faith. Sometimes this thing is. I can't believe this thing. I keep calling you it. What do you think about this whole scenario? Leave a comment there. And
where would they naturally go?
The same applies to General Khumalo.
No, I'm not asking about General Khumalo. I'm saying if PKTT dockets are to be transferred to General Sentumule, who is based in Pretoria, where would they naturally go?
Where they will naturally go is to go to the Deputy Provincial Commissioner Crime Detection in KZN.
But General Sentumule is not in KZN. You have just said yourself that dockets were to be transferred to General Sentumule.
It's to go. What needs to go is to go. By the way, guys, we're watching Tapping Online podcast with Fly. So please subscribe, like, and comment, guys. Otherwise, what you need to do is to go and press the subscribe button.
Commissioner Crime Detection in KZN.
But General Sentumule is not in KZN. You have just said yourself that dockets were to be transferred to General Sentumule. That was your instruction.
You see, in all fairness, what under normal circumstances should have happened was for General Sentumule and General Khumalo to fly down to KZN, do the handing over among themselves, and for General Sentumule to hand over the dockets to the provincial commissioner or to the deputy provincial commissioner responsible for crime detection, under whose command murder and robbery unit falls. She didn't, and she's not the one basically who also brought the dockets to head office. They were brought by crime intelligence, by General Khumalo himself to head office.
No, General. General Sentumule and Brigadier Khopoditata went to KZN.
Yo, guys, as you can hear for yourself and watch Lagwi Tapping Online. Guys, what do you think about this whole situation? Straight up because whatever I show you, it doesn't make sense. And this time around, I think like I'm a commissioner, they don't fucking around. Like they know the business now. But we're gonna get to the next episode. Please watch my other episode where Ulokuzana Kenny Gunene Ube Papela or Julius Malema. So Please, guys, subscribe, like, and follow. This is the Durban Online Podcast. D.O.P.